Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Myntri kena jongko sarkar Prenk Uramdas Athewale, Bapej ya Tnat Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Kular sa Nonghikai School Adhoc. Ba unsara bat Pynsngew ya ke Jingdawa jongki show Myntri ke sarkar Prenk Bapej ya Tnat Ministry of Human Resources and Development. Uramdas Athewale ulakhlai ya ke Kular ha ke jelang jongki Nonghikai School Adhoc. Kabelalong ha ke arpapratrik mentau nailar arajar kandai Hamadan Malki Shillong haka bapalat san hajar ngot Nonghikai School jongki School Adhoc kilawani sementa hakni ke jelang ba kebaningkong hadien ba Nonghikai School Adhoc kila thawi ke kanhon ya kabalatem kum ka All Adhoc School Teachers Association of Meghalaya hapo ke jelam jong ba Kenneth Chadam kum state convener.
Teacher is our teacher and teacher is our nature. Without teacher, there is no education. If there is no education, there is no good nation. If you want the good nation, then there should be the good education. And without teacher, there is no education. If the teacher will not go in the school, then how the student will teach? And therefore there are many problems. Today, our chief minister, today's chief guest, Mosje, the chief minister of Meghalaya, and his father was a very great leader. His father was the speaker of Lok Sabha. His father was the minister in government of India. And I respect late Mosje. And today, the Sangma Samis became the chief minister of Meghalaya. I visited the Kular. And Sangma Sami is also related from Kular. Because Sangma's place is Kular. Therefore, Conrad Kongal Sangma is our hero. He is my good friend. And today he has given the assurance to you. Because all the teachers are present here. And our Tnat shut up. In Meghalaya the names are very hard. And your names are very hard, therefore problems are very hard. Tnat is also very strong leader. He knows the problem of the teacher. And in your state, you have given me the memorandum that 1,851 schools are there. And only 7,082 teachers are there in all over the state. This strength is also very low strength. And definitely, today all the teachers came here. Because the government has given the holiday to all the schools. And all the teachers also came here. If there was no holiday, then all the teachers can't come here. But for our problem, you have shown your strength today in front of the Chief Minister, in front of me as a social justice and empowerment state minister in Narendra Modi's domain. And Narendra Modi told us that all the ministers should go to the northeastern states. And we want to develop, we want to more help from our Mantralaya to every state. And therefore, Mr. Kenneth, Kenneth is in Meghalaya. Kenneth is in Meghalaya, but Kennedy is America. There is a similarity of name between Kennedy and Kennedy. Then he knows your problem, and therefore he calls all of you. And your demand is to increase the teachers, lecturers in secondary school, higher secondary school, and definitely from the government of India, from the HRD ministry, definitely myself I will try, because Ramesh Pokriwal, Nishank, he was the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, and now he became the HRD Minister in Narendra Modi's domain. Definitely I will discuss with him. And this our problem is also a very important problem, because schools are 1,857 and teachers are only 7,082.